Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside Facebook. Open Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Once done, scroll to Accessibility or Display Options. That's where Font Controls live. If you don't see a font option, you'll adjust System Settings next. That's why platform matters. Make sure to note whether you're on mobile app versus desktop, because mobile often delegates font size to the device. Now, tap Accessibility or Display to reveal font and text size controls, so you can begin sizing text. You'll now change the actual size. Drag the text size slider or choose small, medium, large presets. These immediately update posts and menus. Once adjusted, preview comments, messages, and notifications to confirm readability. If Facebook delegates to system settings, open iOS display and brightness or Android accessibility to set global text size, then return to Facebook to verify. Make subtle increases first. Large jumps can break layout. And remember different sections. Finish by exiting settings. Facebook usually applies changes immediately, but you should test by reopening a feed and a message thread. If sizes don't stick, force close and reopen the app or clear cache on Android. That often resolves stale UI. Make sure the app is updated, because older versions can ignore new accessibility controls. If nothing works, change the device-level font size as a last resort, and then relaunch Facebook. That combination fixes most stubborn font size problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.